Hey, lab partners! Back with another amazing science fair idea that's guaranteed to be a gooey, gloopy global hit. This year, we're diving into the wiggly, jiggly world of slime. It's not just fun, it's some seriously cool chemistry. But hold on, this experiment involves some sticky situations. So, what's our #1 rule? Always get a grown-up to help. So, what is slime, really? Is it a liquid or a solid? It's kind of both. It's a non-Newtonian fluid. Ready to become a master of molecules? Let's gear up in the lab and grab our slime synthesizing supplies. You'll need white school glue, water, baking soda, and our magic ingredient, contact lens solution. And to make it your own, grab some food coloring and glitter. We're making ours a sparkly galactic green. First, pour about half a cup of your white school glue into your main mixing bowl. This is the backbone of our slime. Next, add about a 1/4 cup of warm water and stir it all up until it's smooth and blended. Now for the fun part. Add a few drops of your green food coloring and a generous shake of glitter. Mix it all in. Time for some chemistry. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This helps firm up our slime and gets it ready for the next step. All right, here comes the magic. Slowly add 1 tablespoon of your contact lens solution while you stir. This is our main activator. You'll feel it instantly start to get thick and gooey. It will begin to pull away from the sides of the bowl. Keep mixing. Once it's too thick to stir, take it out and knead it with your hands. It might be sticky at first, but it will get smoother. And there you have it, perfect, sparkly, super stretchy green slime. Now for the super cool science behind this gooey greatness. So, what just happened? It all starts with the glue. Glue is made of long, stringy molecules called polymers. Think of these polymers like strands of cooked spaghetti. They can slide past each other pretty easily, which is why glue is runny. Now, our contact lens solution contains special ingredients called borate ions. These guys are the secret slime activators. These borate ions are like tiny magnets with hands. They grab onto the long polymer chains and link them all together. This process is called cross-linking. When enough chains are linked together, they can't slide around freely anymore. They form a giant, tangled network, which gives slime its rubbery, stretchy texture. So for your science fair, you can explain how you used a chemical reaction to change the properties of the glue's polymers. And that term, non-Newtonian fluid, it just means it acts like a liquid when you pour it, but like a solid when you apply pressure. What a perfect science fair project! It's colorful, it's hands-on, and it's packed with awesome chemistry. Thanks for making a mess with us here for science. Go show off your amazing polymer project. Stay curious. If you liked this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such amazing DIY science projects.